Students, let's take one word substitutions. Word वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन का अर्थ है किसी शब्द समूह के लिए एक शब्द का प्रयोग करना। यह शब्द ऐसा होना चाहिए जो दिए हुए समूह के भाव को पूर्ण रूप से प्रकट कर सके। लेट्स टेक फ्यू एग्जाम्पल वन बाय वन। फर्स्ट, कंटोनमेंट। छावनी, फौजी छावनी या टेम्पोरेरी क्वार्टर मेड फॉर मिलिट्री मैन। नेक्स्ट, कैटलॉग, सूचीपत्र, a list of the names of books, century, शताब्दी, 100 years, colleagues, सहकर्मचारी, persons working together in the same institution. Next, combustible, प्रज्वलनशील, liable to catch fire easily. Next, contagious, संक्रामक, a disease communicable by contact. Credulous, कान का अच्छा, one who believes easily whatever is told. Dead letter means बिना पते का पत्र, a letter claimed by nobody. Democracy, प्रजातंत्र, government of the people, by the people, for the people. Dictionary, शब्दकोश, a book which tells what various about words mean. Next, drawn game, बराबर का खेल, a game in which neither party wins, जिसमें कोई भी विजयी ना हो. Next, edible, खाने योग्य, fit to eaten. Next, eligible, नियोज्य, one who is fit to be elected or selected. Next, extempore, तत्काल भाषित, a speech made without previous preparation. Next, egoist, अहंकारी, a person who always think of himself. Next, fastidious, दुसाध्य, hard to please. Next, fatal, घातक, that which cause end in death. Next, fatalist, भाग्यवादी. One who believes in fate. Next, fantastic, मनमौजी, सनकी, one who enjoys everything endlessly. Next, fiend, नर पिशाच, a most wicked and cruel man. Next, finger post, मार्ग सूचक, a guide post pointing out the way for a place. Next, germicide, कीटाणुनाशक, substance having power to destroy germs. Honorary, अवैतनिक, a post for which no salary is paid. Hospitable, आतिथ्यकारी, one who entertains his guest. Hades, पाताल लोक, lower world beneath the earth. Harvest moon, शरद पूर्णिमा, full moon about of autumnal equinox. Next, hearse, savvahan, vehicle to carry dead bodies. Next, hold all, bistarban, a canvas bag to hold beddings. Next, honeymoon, the first night of new married couple. Next, hoyden, अत्यंत चुलबुली लड़की, a very ramping girl. Thanks for watching.